Hello first grade and welcome to your science class. This week we are talking about weather and seasons. The objective and the ICANN for this lesson is students will be able to describe the seasons. The vocabulary words for this lesson are winter, which is a season that it's very cold. You have spring. This is another one, and it starts getting warmer. Then we have the season summer, which is very hot, and fall, it starts to get cooler. Now we have the word shelter, which means a place that provides protection. Now you're going to be watching a video that's explaining you about weather and seasons. So please pay attention to the video.
Depending on where you live, you may notice changes in the weather throughout the year. Weather is how the atmosphere behaves. Examples of weather include rain, snow, wind, as well as temperature and humidity. There are 4 seasons of weather here on Earth. They are winter, spring, summer, and fall. In some areas, the changes between seasons are extreme. In others, it is more subtle. No matter what, the weather in each of these seasons is different and affects plants and animals and the way they behave. Let's take a look at all 4 seasons and the weather conditions in each. In spring, the sun rises early and sets late. The days are longer and begin to get warmer. During summer, the sun rises even earlier and sets even later. It makes sense that summer days are the hottest of the year, partly because they have the most amount of daylight. Fall is a time when the sun still rises early and sets later, but not as early or late as summer. The days start getting shorter and the temperatures cool as well. In winter, the sun rises very late and sets very early. Winter days have the least amount of daylight of the year. The days are short, and the weather gets cold. All of these seasonal weather changes affect plants and animals in a big way. Here's how. During the winter, when the days are shorter and colder, many plants stop growing because they do not get enough sunlight to survive. And some animals, like these bears, go to sleep for the whole winter. Other animals, like birds, bats, elk, and even some whales travel to warmer areas once winter hits. In spring, when days get longer and the weather starts to get warmer, plants begin to grow again thanks to rainfall. Spring is also a time when many mammals, including chipmunks, foxes, and deer, give birth to their young. During summer, when the days are longest and the weather gets hot, plants and animals both spend time growing. Then, in the fall, when days start to shorten and the temperatures start to get cooler again, trees begin dropping their leaves. Meanwhile, animals begin storing food and making shelter, which will provide protection for the next season, which is winter once again. As you can see, many weather changes occur during the 4 seasons. Winter, spring, summer, and fall are all unique in their own ways and make Earth a beautiful and interesting place year-round. What's your favorite season? Why?
Thank you for watching first grade. Please stay safe and see you in class. Bye-bye.